Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a hair video, okay, as you guys can see. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get the perfect blend, okay, with minimal leave out. You guys, I have like a little slither of hair out. It's like, it's basically like no hair left out. It's only a little thin piece, and I was able to accomplish that by using a U-part. So this is a U-part wig, and this is from UNice Hair. This is a, I believe it's like deep wavy or something like that. I'm not too sure of the specific name of the texture of the hair. I will have it linked below. They sent me over this gorgeous U-part, and today I decided to install it because I actually have an event to attend, and I needed my hair done ASAP, okay? And I didn't want to wear like a wig or a closure, and this was definitely the perfect alternative. It's giving sew-in, okay? It's giving sew-in. It's so, like, look at that, y'all. Look at that, nice and flat. I honestly love it so much, you guys. If you're interested in seeing how I got this quick, easy, seamless hairstyle, keep on watching. And as you guys can see, yes, I took the locks out. I took them out, you guys. So I actually have an event to attend at 1 p.m. and it is 10 o'clock. It's already 10:01 a.m. So we're gonna attempt to get our hair done on time. Now, I want to protect the style, but I think I want to do some leave out. After having those locks, my edges and stuff are very sore and very tender. So I do have a new wig, and this came from UNice Hair. You guys have heard of UNice before. I've worked with them so many times. My wig came with this really cute robe, you guys. I was like, okay, UNice. Inside, you got your little baggie of gifts. I got some lashes. I got my elastic band right there. Looks like I have a makeup brush. Thank you, UNice, for the little gifts. But let's get to the good stuff. Let's get to the wig. And I don't know what this is. It looks like a matching bonnet. I also have a satin bag just for storage. And I have some wig caps as well. Let's get right into this hair, you guys. I am so excited for some hair. Those locks, y'all, they killed me. Like, but we're working with a U-part unit today. Well, actually a V-part, and I know you guys took that from me, okay? Okay, it might have been some others, but I know I was one of the first. So this is how the unit looks. This is how it looks on the inside, as you guys can see. So this is the U-part, and this is the hair. And I really like this U-part because this one comes with combs, so you don't have to do braids or anything like that. I think I'm gonna remove like the combs and stuff because I think I'm gonna do some braids really quick. I'm about to get ready to wear wigs for about 2 or 3 months, so it's time to braid this stuff up. And I did do a silk press, but I went to the gym and it kind of got sweated out, so I'm over it, you guys. Like, I'm over it with my natural hair. Let's get into these braids, okay? I'm gonna show you guys how I do my braids, and then we're gonna come back and install this beautiful U-part. So before I start my braids, I like to put some of this Camille Rose honey. I put that like on the edges just to, like, I don't know, y'all, moisturize. My scalp is just so dry. But as you guys can see, look at the thinness the locks cause. Like, my edges have never been like this. Never. What I'm gonna do is just part off a section. And these braids don't have to be perfect, you guys. Just neat and flat. I used to, you know, try to make sure my braids were 100% perfect, but I don't even do that anymore. But yeah, you guys, you can literally see, like, the locks just made my hair, like, it caused thinness. So now I'm gonna use this S-Curl Twist and Lock gel. Y'all, I don't even remember buying this, but I ran out of my other gel. So let's see how this works, y'all. Hopefully my hair don't fall out from this, like, because the way my hair act, like, oh God. Okay. You guys, we got one braid done. I'm gonna go ahead and finish braiding this and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm done with my braids and I left this bit of hair out. I'm just gonna clip it to this little bitty part right here. And this little slither hair is gonna be my leave out. If you don't like the combs and stuff on your unit, you can definitely just, you know, cut them off. Even if you wanna like sew this in, you can definitely cut off the clips and sew it in. So this is the texture of the hair and it's really pretty, you guys. I don't remember the exact name of this texture, but it will be, I will link it below. But this wig is really nice. Like the quality of the hair is really, really nice, y'all. What's so cool about this U part is that it comes with this seamless edge, as you guys can see. And I'm gonna just leave out a small, tiny piece of hair. The rest of my leave out, I'll be braiding that later. But I think that's enough hair. You can actually do this with absolutely no leave out. I have a video where I've done it before. So I'm just gonna clip this right here. Right here. You just wanna make sure everything is nice and fitted. So this is how it should look. Okay. Very small, minimum amount of leave out. And of course you can leave out more if you want. But this is enough for me. And I really like to use my little mini flat iron. I really like the hair on this. It is so nice. Yeah, we're just gonna hit our root a little bit. Just so everything is nice and blended. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do a little wave with a flat iron. So you just one way, the other way. This is how you create a wave with your flat iron. See how that just blends right on in. And it's absolutely seamless. In this bottle, I just have water and conditioner, and we're just gonna spray it. Okay, now I'm gonna take my blow dryer. I'm gonna diffuse, and I got this from TJ Maxx. If you guys are interested, I don't even know how it works. This is my first time using it, so. Okay, you guys, so I'm done installing it. I love it. It's so pretty, and it is very nice and secure. It doesn't feel like it's going anywhere, and the texture of the hair is great. This is how long it is. Okay, and I believe this is like a 22-inch. I don't specifically remember, but I will have I will post all the details about the hair below. But it's very nice and soft. It honestly reminds me of hair I had years and years and years ago. Like kind of like when I first started reviewing hair. I don't know what they did with this hair and the quality on this hair unit, but it's very, very nice and very airy and soft. If you co-wash it, I feel like the curls will be more ringlet. All I did was spray it with a little bit of water. So this is how it'll look like if you just want to put it on and go, like right out of the box. It still looks really good. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. I definitely needed something quick, and I finished my hair before 1 o'clock. It's actually 12:04, way ahead of time, so I still have time to take my time and figure out exactly what I want to wear. This is just a gorgeous put on and go type of U-parts, you guys. I definitely recommend it. UNice always comes through, okay? I will link this below and everything I used in today's video. Thanks again for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one.